Hi everyone, my name is Akurede Adenike. You are welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of you checking on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos. Today I'm making circle top, full circle top. Some other people used to call it cape top. This is the fabric I'm using. I have about 1.5 yards of fabric and these are my tools. So I'm going to mark on the right side of the fabric because the wrong side is invisible. You may not see what I mark on it. That's why I want to mark on the right side of the fabric. This is how I folded my fabric. There is it. Assuming this is the whole fabric now, I folded it into two, then I fold it again, making folding into four. So my fabric is folded into four. Here is it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need the length of my top, which is 26, and the length of my sleeve, which is 22. So here we determine the length of my top from here now. From this edge down to this place, we determine the length of my top. I need the length of 26. Here is 27 inches. Because that 26, I'm going to add 1 inches to it. That will give me 27 inches. So exactly 27 is the length of this fabric. So to determine my sleeve now, I'm going to measure from this edge. So because this top, as a circle top, you have to cut it together with the sleeve, like kimono top or kimono jacket. So from this edge now, let me first of all get my shoulder measurement. My shoulder measurement is 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So here is that 7.5. So I'm going to add about, from that 7.5, whatever the half of your shoulder is, you have to add about 14 inches to it. You may not want it to be longer as that. You can make it 10 inches, 12 inches, but mine, I want it to be longer than that. That's why I'm making it 14 inches. And I'm going to add 1 inch for seam allowance to it. That will make it 15 inches plus the half of my shoulder measurement. So altogether, it will be 22 inches plus 1 inch seam allowance. That will make it 23 inches. That's correct. So I'll first of all measure it to form circle first. Here now 27. The length of my top is 26 plus 1 inch seam allowance. That will make it 27. So I'll measure 27 from here now. From this edge down to here 27, then I'll measure 27 all around. So 27 here too. So when I get to the where my sleeve is, I'm going to make it 24. My sleeve is 23. My sleeve is 22 inches all together with the shoulder measurement. So plus 1 inch seam allowance, that will be 23 inches. So 23 inches. I hope you can see what I'm making very well. What I'm measuring, 23 inches. I'll now connect all the points. The sleeve area will be 23 inches, while the length area will be 27 inches. So I will now cut it out. First of all, cut the circle out. So now I've measured the length and the sleeve to form my circle out. Here is it. Now to the neck. I'm going to measure the neck width of 5 inches. I'm cutting the back and the front together. That's why I folded it into 4. So back and neck depth of 3.5. And I'll connect it with my free hand. If you have a curve ruler, you can use it. So as for my sleeve now, to get my sleeve, I'm going to measure from here. Get my shoulder measurement. Half of my shoulder is 7.5. Yes. Plus half inch. I'll make it 8 inches. From there now, I'll now measure the half of my round armhole. My round armhole is 18 divided by 2 is 9 inches. Here is it. It's around here. So the half of my round armhole is 9 inches for the normal top, because my round armhole in full is 18 inches. So for this circle top now, I'm going to add 2 inches to that 9 inches. That will make it 11 inches. It is around here now. Now to determine the my round sleeve now, I'm going to measure from this edge now. I'll measure 12 or 13 inches. Let me make it 13 inches. Here is where the 13 inches is, because the circle top, it has to be free very well. So for it to be accurate very well, this 11 inches now, I will now place the quarter of my bust, which is 9.5 plus half inch is, I'll make it 10 inches because my bust is 38. It is around here now. So to join my sleeve together, I will now draw a straight line to connect it like this. So here is where I'm going to join for my sleeve. Here is my sleeve, round sleeve, and here is my sleeve length. From this edge to this edge now is my sleeve length. From this edge down to this place is the length of my cape top or circle top. So to copy this on the other side, because I'm going to copy this on the other side to make it accurate, I'll just open it like this. I'll dot it, I'll mark it out. So I've already cut the neck out. Here is it. So I've copied it now. I'll now join it on the other side, turn it on the other side and join it like this. This is what I'm going to sew for my sleeve. So here is it. So I'm going to sew here. Let me open it up for you to see it very well, how beautiful it is. As you can see how beautiful it is. Here is the neck. I'm going to use pliers to finish the neckline. I'm going to finish it up with the wire strip, and these edges I'm going to fold it. I'm going to double fold it and finish it up all round. So after hemming these round edges, I'll now join these two. Now here is it. I've sewed the both sides, and I'm going to go and give it knife and put it on for you to see the finishing look. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to support my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.